going to conduct two experiments, one on liquids and thermal energy, one on gas and thermal energy. Let's look at our first one. We're going to take some hot water and we want this water at boiling point. At the bottom of my cup, I put some marbles, and I'm going to keep those separated, and I'm going to cover the marbles with hot water. Now I'm going to insert another cup. This time I'm going to add cold water. I'm going to fill it to the top. Now that we have our hot water at the bottom and the cold water at the top, we're going to add food color. And I want you to carefully look and observe what occurs. Notice the blue is at the bottom. At the bottom we have warm water now because of the hot water. And because of that, now if you look over here, the blue is coming back to the top. That is because we call this convection. We have cold water at the top, meaning that we have less energy moving. And because this cold is at the top, the food coloring is denser. And so it went to the bottom, floated to the bottom, and then because of the hot water, it began less dense and it rose back up because the cold became cooler. So we have this cycle of cold going down to the bottom of the warm and coming back up to the cold, and we call this convection. We're going to experiment with the lava lamp by creating two different lamps and to determine how they will react based on the temperature of the water. In order to do this experiment, you will need a few supplies and adult supervision is needed. First, you're going to need 2 bottles. You're going to need water, and I colored my water orange with food coloring. You just need 2 drops of red and 3 drops of yellow. Next, you're going to need some cooking oil or baby oil. You will need Alka-Seltzer. The purpose of the Alka-Seltzer is when the Alka-Seltzer and the water meet together, the Alka-Seltzer is going to dissolve and we're going to get a chemical reaction. When that chemical reaction occurs, we're going to get carbon dioxide and we're going to see bubbles. Those bubbles are what we're going to observe when we're doing this experiment. You will also need warm water and cold water to compare temperatures. First, fill your bottles with 1/4 water and add food coloring. It doesn't have to be orange, but since it's October Science, why not? Next, you're going to fill your bottle with oil. Remember, with density, all floats on top of water. going to fill it to here. So you need about 2/4 oil. Don't shake it and mix it up, just pour it in slowly. Now that we have our oil poured in, I'm going to put 1 bottle in the warm water. And I'm going to put 1 in the cold water and let it sit for a minute. I'm going to test the cold bottle first. And we're going to slowly drop in a piece of Alka-Seltzer. Let's see if we have a reaction. How long will it take? We see the bubbles starting to form. They're moving up. Let's do another piece. Now you can see. Do you see how the bubbles are floating to the top and then drifting back down? Gives that lava lamp effect. Why do you... Remember, this is in warm water. Let's drop a piece in. Oh, it's moving much faster. You can see. And do you notice how the blobs look? Now they look like the lava lamp. The lava lamp will work until all of the Alka-Seltzer has dissolved. And then it is through working.
Thank you for joining me today on Michelle Labs. I hope you enjoyed the 3 labs that I shared. The materials are easy to find. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button so you can get more videos like these in the future. Have a blessed day.